Hey everyone, welcome back. I wanted to add in one more little tutorial just to add in some visual effects. So the basic idea is that when the ball hits, maybe some little lines, some little impact lines come off of the ball to make it look like it's really smacking the ground there. So we're going to go ahead and try that. Of course, it's going to give it a little bit more of a cartoony look, I think. So this is going to be kind of an optional. Okay, so like with anything, I'm going to go ahead and add a new layer, and I'll call this layer VFX for visual effects. And I'm just going to drag it towards the top so I can make it a little easier to see. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start on the first frame where it hits. So I'll click to add a frame. And I think I'm probably going to go the brush tool, enable pressure. Instead of size 10, I'm going to probably make that a little smaller, like size 3. Something like that. And because I have a drawing tablet, you really want to enable pressure. That way, maybe bump it up to 4. That way you can get some real nice thin taper lines if you do very light pressure. But you can also press down really hard and get something a little thicker there. So that's kind of the lines that I'm thinking of. Go ahead and get rid of those. Okay, so enable pressure, thickness of 4, black is fine, and I'm on my first frame right here. So here we go. All right, so maybe just something like this. Very hand-drawn. Now you could copy and paste these, but I think they need that little hand-drawn look. It only takes a moment. And they're all different from each other, which is nice. Okay, so now that I've done that, what you'll have to do now is you'll see that Wik doesn't allow you to have emptiness here. So what I have to do now is when it hits, I need to go to the very next frame and then add in a new frame. So now you'll see that that disappears. So the bounce lines only last for one frame and then they're gone. So again, go back, find the bounce frame, then go to the very next frame and then add a clean frame. And then that way you get nothingness. So just go through, do that, and then it's gone. Okay, so let's go ahead, rewind. Okay, so it's a very small little touch, but sometimes those little effects can really make a difference. So I hope this helped you out, and happy animating.